What's up, Amelia? It's Melanie. I am here getting my eyebrows tinted. Right now they are currently filled in because I can't walk out in public without eyebrows, remember? But I am going to be including some pictures. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of my journey for tinting eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry if the sound is going to be super crappy or the lighting will be, but you know what? This is real life, okay? This is what vlogging is all about. Well, stay tuned. So here we are. I got the tint on, looking fine. So dark as the tint, but I am digging the shape. I'm super excited about what the outcome is going to be. I'm gonna move this really cool light over here. Check it out. I'm digging this light. I'm gonna have to go get one on Amazon. Ayo. Alright guys, so this is the final result. This is after, how many hours has it been? I would probably say it's been about 5 hours, and this is the end result. I am very, very pleased with the outcome of it. I think they turned out really well. It tends to dye your skin, which I'm okay with because I have no tails whatsoever when it comes to my eyebrows. And the only thing I would say that I don't particularly like, but tomorrow is going to be a different story. According to the brow specialist, she indicated that it's boxed right now in the front part of my eyebrows, but that is going to get better. Let me move my camera a little bit, sorry. She said it's gonna get better. It's gonna end up blending well into the front part, and then the ends, middle and ends are going to remain dark. Now the tint lasts for about 3 weeks, and it depends on your skin type. So if you have oilier skin, the tint may not set as well as if your skin is dry. I'm lucky enough, I have combination skin. I'm oily in my T-zone areas, but around in my eye area, I am extremely dry. So hopefully it ends up lasting as long as she said. The location that I went to was the Flirt Wax Bar, which is in Tampa, Florida. Look it up. They have amazing reviews on Yelp. I will be going on Yelp and also doing a review. Follow them on social media. They have plenty of before and after pictures, which is one of the things that really helped me to determine if I wanted to get my eyebrows tinted. I am very, very pleased with it. This is with makeup on. No foundation, just concealer, mascara, and some lip stuff. But other than that, nothing else has been applied. So I'm really happy. Like, I'm happy. I think the test is going to be waking up in the morning and seeing myself with actual eyebrows. That's probably going to be a little bit trippy, but you know what? Bring it on. I'm ready for it. It'll be nice to wake up with some eyebrows. The last time I remember waking up with eyebrows, I was like 14 years old. Ugh, why? Curse you 9 days for thinking that thin eyebrows was in. Ugh, can never get them back. But I think I'm gonna continue with this process. It ended up costing approximately $44. It's $24 for the tint. The tint's really cool. It's a vegetable-based tint. It does not cause any irritation, at least for me it didn't, and I have extremely sensitive skin. The waxing cost was $20, and you know, combined it was about $44. I would take it. I think that's a really good price for something that's gonna last about 3 weeks on your face. It was an alternative option to microblading because microblading is too expensive for me right now, and you know, I'm still doing my research. I'm playing around with if it's something that I actually want to invest my money in. It sounds incredible. The brow specialist who actually tinted my eyebrows, had her eyebrows microbladed and she recommends it. She said she loves it. All she has to do is just throw on some brow gel so that the other hairs will fall the way that you want, and she's out the door. So I'll continue to do my research, depending on, you know, the funds and how everything goes. Then we'll have to see if microblading is something that I will end up doing. But for now, tinting is definitely the way to go. I'm very, very pleased with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on social media. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe and bump that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much, guys, and until next time, bye.